Give a dog a good name. Principle 7, give the other person a fine reputation to live up to. People are more open to being led when we respect them for their abilities. Act as though a person is already exceptional in the desired quality or virtue in order to develop them. In order to motivate someone to alter their attitude or conduct, give them a solid reputation to measure up to. Offering the other person a high reputation to measure up to inspires in them a desire to live up to those expectations, similar to responding to people's higher motives. Say something like, "I like your willingness to listen and your willingness to modify your viewpoint when the facts justify it." Address their nobler motivations such as accountability, fairness, transparency, diligence, and so on. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 4, Be a Leader. Subscribe, like, follow for more.